the potential that this little girl has. I know that Gail Jackson has this wig and a few of the other beauty cuties. She is marked down to $54. She can be shipped out. Let me show you the inside of this cap. As you see, there is no lace. There is no lace at all inside of this cap, which means it is a full cap. Hi, Lena. What's going on? And I'm just going to put it on because what I want to do is always show you the potential that the wig has. That's the other thing that I want you to know. I'm just going to kind of style this, kind of pull out. That's what I love to do every Thursday and Saturday, is to show you the potential that these wigs have. So if you have this one already, put it down in the comment section. Have that wig, love that wig. Why? Is because it is so easy to take care of, okay? So as you see that little curl there, you can get as creative as you are daring to be. Deb says, I love that one. I do too. This is one of my favorite wigs. It has been marked down to $54. This is a great sale price. Let me show you that on the side. There you go. And if you're saying, well, hey, look, I like it, but thank you, Beverly, for sharing. I like it, but I don't want no hair on my face. Okay, well, let's take it all the way off. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. If we take it all off of our face, how would that look? And that's what I want to do. I want to get you out of the box. This is synthetic. Somebody says, is it human? No, this is synthetic. It says, I have it in 3 different. Do you really, Kelly? Oh, my God, Kelly, I had no idea you had it in so many colors. She said, what color is that? Mary, this one is the 27. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me say it again. It is the HB2 613. So you see this light, very, very light color up there? That's the 613. So you can wear it off your face. Eugenia, I don't know if Eugenia has this. Eugenia, do you have this? Because to me, this is kind of your style. And it's just how you kind of style it. You know what I'm saying, y'all? It's how, she says, what color? The color is HB2 613. 613, always remember, 613 is that very, very blonde color, okay? So here you go right there. All right, the next thing that I want to do, that I got to do, that I always do is what? Use our hair care products. Oh, and you did see me spray something on it. Now I'm just going to kind of just let it do what it do. Look, go down, push it down here. Why? Because you want it to cover here. Look at the back. Let me take it to the other side. Now this is what it look on the other side. Yes, if you don't wear it right, yes, you will look like Elvis Presley, but that's why I'm here. I'm here so you don't look like Elvis Presley. But I want you to have fun with it. Do not get stuck. Do not get in a box, okay? We're gonna start including, when you purchase your Beauty Cutie bag, you're going to have the instructions on what and how to put this mixture together, because we actually give you a sample of every product. But now I'm going to teach you how to actually put it together. You also can do, let me show y'all this. Boom. A feather. It's almost like a wave. You can do a wave, okay? That's what I like about the wig. You can be as creative as you're willing to be. Now that was an accident. I did not even mean for this wig to end up this cute. This is cute. It's adorable. It's dainty. It's like a little, Deborah says, I want to pick up the mixture instruction sheet Beauty Cutie bag that I already have. I want to pick up the mixture instruction. Deb, it's not that serious. Give me your email and I'll send it off to you, sweetie. No problem. You don't have to come pick up nothing. All right, I'll just send it to you. So this wig is Wig Kanisha, and it is 522. You can give me a call, okay? Now look, I got 2 lines available. If you love this wig, this is the best time to get it. This one is this one is jet black, okay? I want to show y'all something a little bit different. 552, this color is, I wanted to give y'all this brown color because this brown color is absolutely gorgeous. It is HB number 430, okay? Number 430. So this is it in a 4B, 4, 30, and this is it when it looks jet black. You can do a lot of different things with that look.